Welcome to our guide on understanding tags and their importance in spreadsheets. Today, we'll dive into what tags are, why they are useful, and how you can leverage them to enhance your data management. First off, what exactly are tags? Tags are multiple values that are stored in a single cell, separated by a specific separator like a semicolon, comma, or any character of your choice. But why should you use tags? Let's explore some key reasons. Tags provide flexibility in categorization. Instead of limiting a cell to a single category, you can assign multiple tags, allowing for a more nuanced and comprehensive categorization. Tags simplify data management by consolidating related information into fewer cells. This can make your spreadsheet more organized and easier to navigate. Additionally, tags make searching and data retrieval much more efficient. You can quickly find and analyze all entries related to a specific tag without having to comb through multiple columns. By using tags, you can significantly improve the way you organize and interact with your data. For users, the process of adding or adjusting tags often proves tedious, as each cell operates independently. Thus, consistency and efficiency are hard to maintain. Furthermore, the non-sequential nature of tags, where tag A, tag B is functionally identical to tag B, tag A, adds another layer of complexity. This is where XaliTags, a free Google Sheets extension, becomes invaluable. XaliTags simplifies the management of tags by providing an intuitive interface that allows for easy and consistent tagging across numerous cells, ensuring both time savings and enhanced data organization. Thanks for watching, and happy tagging!